Hi everyone! On this video I will show you how to run endpoints created on our platform in Node-Red system from Postman or browser. All that we need our Node-Red system and we need a Postman. First of all, we need to create some endpoints. We need to use this node HTTP in function and response. We will create one for post and one for get methods. We need to connect all this node, press deploy. One will be get and, for example, say hello. And one will be post and also say hello. Press deploy. On this one I will return just some text message. For example, this one. And on this one function, I want that I expect that I receive on the post body name, and I want to set some welcome message with name. And that will be my body that I return to when I receive something on the post method. To check that anything happened on this post, that I receive somebody, I need to add debug, connect to the HTTP in, and change to complete object, and press deploy. Let's try to run this to API from browser or Node-Red system or Postman system. To run this API, we need to copy URL to this one, to Node-Red our, paste it there, and we need to add URL to our endpoint on Node-Red. And we see our welcome message, hello, welcome to UBOS. And let's try to do the same from Postman. Let's go to our Postman. We need same URL. For example, that's pass to my Node-Red system, first part, and the last, my pass to endpoint. And we can run it. And we see, hello, welcome to UBOS. Let's try to use post method, change to post, go to body, and I expect that I will receive a name, body like this, and we can run it. And we see, hello Olga, welcome to UBOS. And my payload, all information that I receive to this endpoint, I can find there, that's name Olga. And that's all. It's really simply to run an endpoint created on our Node-Red on our platform in the different UI part. If you don't need to use an editor, for example, you can create your own UI part, but use our Node-Red system and call all endpoints from Node-Red.